We all know that sugar isn't great for your health, but what if I told you there's something even more dangerous lurking in your kitchen? Today, we're covering 15 reasons why vegetable oil might be more deadly than sugar itself. Vegetable oil isn't just in the bottle you cook with. It's hidden in countless foods at the grocery store, making it easy to consume far more than you realize. Many research shows that the average American consumes about 80 grams of vegetable oil daily without even knowing it. Are you ready? Number 15. High in omega-6 fatty acids. Vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 is essential, too much can lead to chronic inflammation and disrupt your body's natural balance. The National Institutes of Health explains that an imbalanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 increases the risk of heart disease, arthritis, and other chronic conditions. Number 14. Promotes oxidative stress. When consumed in excess, vegetable oils promote the release of inflammatory molecules that can wreak havoc on your body. The Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry reports that these oils increase oxidative stress, damaging cells and contributing to chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. With the majority of processed foods containing these oils, it's hard to avoid them unless you're carefully reading labels and choosing minimally processed items. Number 13. Contains harmful trans fats. Even though most vegetable oils are marketed as heart-healthy, many contain harmful trans fats that can damage your health. The American Heart Association states that trans fats increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, raising the risk of heart disease and stroke. These trans fats are often found in oils labeled as partially hydrogenated or refined, making it easy to consume these dangerous fats without realizing it. Number 12. Increases risk of heart disease. The inflammatory properties of vegetable oils contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. According to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, high intake of omega-6 rich oils can lead to endothelial dysfunction, making them a greater risk for heart disease than sugar. As approximately 1/3 of the average person's daily calories come from vegetable oils, the risk of heart-related complications cannot be ignored. Number 11. Contains high levels of toxic pesticides. Many vegetable oils, especially those from genetically modified crops like soybean and canola, contain high levels of toxic pesticides. The Environmental Working Group, EWG, explains that these chemicals disrupt hormones, weaken the immune system, and increase cancer risk. This hidden danger is present in almost every bottle of non-organic vegetable oil on the market. Restaurants, particularly fast food chains, use these oils in large quantities, exposing customers to these harmful toxins. Number 10. Leads to insulin resistance and weight gain. Vegetable oils are loaded with unhealthy fats that promote insulin resistance and weight gain. The American Diabetes Association reports that consuming too much oil can alter the way your body responds to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. The problem is that these oils are often hidden in foods like dressings and processed items, making it a silent contributor to weight and metabolic issues. This makes it even more dangerous than consuming moderate amounts of sugar. Number 9. Linked to fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of vegetable oils is associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. The Journal of Hepatology suggests that these oils accumulate in the liver, causing inflammation and damage over time. When 1/3 of the average person's daily calories come from vegetable oil, the risk of fatty liver disease is greatly amplified. Most people don't realize that oils like soybean, canola, and sunflower contribute to such a high portion of their caloric intake, leading to liver damage that's more detrimental than a sugar-filled diet. Number 8. Interferes with hormonal balance. Vegetable oils contain chemical compounds that disrupt hormonal balance. The Endocrine Society warns that these oils interfere with estrogen and testosterone levels, leading to issues like reproductive problems, mood swings, and weight gain. The chemicals in these oils are often chemically altered and processed, complicating their effects on your body and making it harder to maintain a balanced hormone profile. This hormonal disruption is far more serious than anything caused by occasional sugar consumption. Number 7, reduces the effectiveness of antioxidants. Certain antioxidants, such as vitamin E and vitamin C, are less effective when vegetable oils are consumed in excess. The Journal of Lipid Research indicates that high levels of polyunsaturated fats in vegetable oils reduce the absorption of antioxidants, leaving your body more vulnerable to damage. This is particularly concerning when you consider the role antioxidants play in protecting against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Number 6, alters gut health and microbiome. Consuming too much vegetable oil negatively impacts gut health by altering the gut microbiome. The Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology suggests that an imbalanced microbiome leads to digestive issues and increased risk of disease. This makes vegetable oils more harmful to your gut health than sugar. The disruption in gut bacteria can affect nutrient absorption, weaken the immune system, and lead to chronic digestive issues, making it harder to maintain overall health. Number 5, speeds up aging and cell damage. Vegetable oils are highly susceptible to oxidation, and consuming oxidized oils can accelerate aging and damage cells. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that these oils make your skin more prone to wrinkles and sagging. The presence of oxidized compounds leads to chronic inflammation, making you look and feel older. Over time, this can lead to permanent damage at the cellular level, affecting not just your skin, but also your organs and tissues. Number 4, contributes to mental health disorders. High intake of omega-6 fatty acids from vegetable oils has been linked to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. The Journal of Psychiatric Research found that an imbalanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 interferes with brain function and mood regulation, making it a bigger risk for mental health issues than sugar. Consuming vegetable oils can impact neurotransmitter function, leading to mental health challenges that are difficult to overcome without making dietary changes. Number 3, increases cancer risk. Vegetable oils like soybean and canola are often refined at high temperatures, which creates carcinogenic compounds. The American Cancer Society states that frequent consumption of these oils increases the risk of breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Avoiding these oils could significantly reduce your cancer risk because they introduce harmful free radicals that damage cells and DNA. This cancer-causing potential is far more dangerous than the temporary spikes in blood sugar caused by sugar. Number 2, weakens immune function. Vegetable oils have been shown to weaken immune function by increasing oxidative stress and inflammation. The Journal of Immunology explains that a diet high in these oils compromises your body's ability to fight off infections and heal properly, making you more vulnerable to health issues. This immune-suppressing effect is particularly concerning because it leaves you defenseless against illnesses, making it much more dangerous than sugar in moderation. Number 1, promotes chronic inflammation. The number 1 reason vegetable oil is more deadly than sugar is its ability to promote chronic inflammation throughout the body. The Journal of Inflammation Research shows that the high levels of omega-6 fatty acids in vegetable oils fuel inflammation, contributing to arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many deadly health conditions. Fried food, often deep-fried in old oxidized oil, is one of the worst offenders, making it a serious health hazard that's hiding in plain sight in most fast food restaurants. In fact, 30% of the population in this country consumes fast food on a daily basis, increasing their risk of these chronic conditions significantly. And there you have it. While cutting back on sugar is important, avoiding vegetable oils could be even more critical for your health. Try using healthier alternatives like olive oil and avocado oil instead. Now, check out this video right here to see more tips on optimizing your health and lifestyle. Thanks for watching Healthy End, and we will see you there.